One day, the emperor of the city visited Gulliver. This is the emperor of the city. He was also very small, very little, and he visited. He came to Gulliver to meet. He tried to converse with Gulliver, but they could not understand each other. He tried to converse. Converse means to talk. He tried to talk with Gulliver, but because the emperor was also not knowing the language of Gulliver, and Gulliver was also not knowing the language of emperor. That's why they didn't understand to each other. The emperor sent 7 clever teachers to Gulliver. The emperor sent 7 clever teachers to teach Gulliver their language. He sent 7 clever teachers to Gulliver. Why? For teaching their language. Gulliver soon learnt the language of little people. He was in a country named Lilliput, and he was speaking Lilliputian, and he was very happy because he was now able to talk to the people. However, he was still a prisoner of the Lilliputian. When the emperor sent 7 teachers to teach Gulliver the language of their Lilliput, and the language of Lilliput was Lilliputian. What was the name of language of Lilliput? Lilliputian. Okay, they 7 teachers taught the Gulliver Lilliputian, and after when Gulliver learned the language, after that Gulliver was very happy because now he was able to understand the people of Lilliput, and however he was still a prisoner. Prisoner means, however, still he was a prisoner of Lilliputians. One day Gulliver asked the emperor to free him and allow him to go back to his own country. One day Gulliver talked to the emperor, and he requested to the emperor that let me go to my own country. The emperor was not quite sure if he should let Gulliver go. Emperor was not sure that he should leave him or not. So he spoke to his subjects. Subjects means to his soldiers. He spoke to his subjects. Subjects means soldiers. The emperor told to his soldiers, could this man be dangerous? Unsafe. Dangerous means unsafe, because he asked from his soldiers that was that person dangerous. 10 officials were ordered to search Gulliver's pocket. He gave the order to 10 officials, means to 10 soldiers, to 10 soldiers to search Gulliver's pocket. To search that, they made a list of what they found but could not give anything of name. When they searched Gulliver's pocket, then they find some things, but they don't know the name of things. Okay, they make list, but they don't know the name of things. The strange thing is for his hair. They said this strange thing is for hair. They said to the emperor that we find this one thing. This thing Gulliver is using for the hair, but we don't know this name. And you know very well, students, what we use for hairs? That is comb. Okay. The strange thing says tick tock. The strange thing says tick tock. And what said tick tock? One watch. Okay, watch, this is the sound of watch, na, tick tock, tick tock. And first thing they found, that was for hair, and second thing they found that thing was creating sound. And what was the sound? Tick tock, means it was a watch. This is a book, but we can't understand the words in it. And the third thing they found in his pocket, that was a book. Okay, the emperor said, fine, let him go. The emperor said, means first thing they found, that was comb. Second thing they found, that was watch. And third thing they found, that was a diary or book. Okay, and these all things were not dangerous, no? There was not any weapon, anything was not dangerous for their country. That's why the king said, okay, fine, let him go. Finding no weapons, weapons means any revolver, any knife, anything that is harmful. Okay, they said, with finding no weapon, Gulliver was free to come in and out of the city. That's why now Gulliver was free. He visited the city often and played with the children in the streets. He was quite happy. Now he was free, but he came in the Lilliput in the city after some time, and he played with the children in the streets of Lilliput. He was quite happy. Gulliver was happy because he was not now prisoner. He was free. And finding no weapon, Gulliver was free to come in and out of the city, visited the city often and played with the children in the streets. He was quite happy because he was not prisoner and he was free, and that's why sometime he came to the city and play with the children in the streets. One day the emperor told Gulliver that he needed his help as the people of Billy Fiskew were planning to attack Lilliput. This was now Billy Fiskew. First of all, we learned about Lilliput. Okay? The little people were from Lilliput. Now there was one more city. That city name is Billy Fiskew. Okay? Second city name was Billy Fiskew, and the emperor called Gulliver for help. He said, I need your help because the people of Billy Fiskew is the name of another city, were planning to attack Lilliput, as like Pakistan or China planning to attack on India, or India planning attack to any other country. This way, this is the name of Billy Fiskew. Any other city was planning to attack on Lilliput. Okay, Billy Fiskew was making a planning to attack on Lilliput. That's why the emperor called Gulliver for help. Gulliver went to Billy Fiskew and pulled the fleet of ships to the shore of Lilliput. You can see in the picture because they were small little people, and for Gulliver it was very easy to pull them. You can see in the picture Gulliver was pulling all the fleet of ship. Okay, group of sheep, that is a collective noun, fleet. Okay, group of ships, all the ships he was pulling, and he took the ships to the shores means beach. Okay, shore of the Lilliput. This put Billy Fiskew in a hopeless situation, and the attack was thus settled, because when the Billy Fiskew people saw that they have a very tall and big person, giant person, they delay. Settled means delayed. Okay, delay. They postponed the attack. Okay, when they saw that Lilliput having a too much powerful person that can defeat Billy Fiskew, that's why they delay or postpone the attack. The emperor was very happy because now Lilliput was safe from Billy Fiskew. Okay, however, there were some men in Lilliput who did not approve of Gulliver being in their country, because Gulliver helped Lilliput. That's why emperor was very happy. But some little people of Lilliput were not happy, because Gulliver was coming after some days in Lilliput and he played with the children. But some people didn't like this thing, that why this person is coming to our country, our city. Okay, however, there were some people in Lilliput who did not approve, means not liking this of Gulliver being in their country, because they said to each other, why they don't like? Because they said he is too big and eats too much, because he was too big and eat too much. That's why some people of Lilliput didn't like Gulliver. They planned to kill him. That's why some people planned, because they don't like Gulliver, that's why some people of Lilliput planned to kill him. Gulliver, when he got to know this, he left the Lilliput and went to Billy Fiskew in search of new adventure. When Gulliver heard, understand that when he knew about it that some people are making plan to kill me. That time, after that, he left Lilliput. He left the Lilliput. He never came again in Lilliput and went to Billy Fiskew country. That city he went in the search of new adventures. I hope you understand all. Thank you, beta.